How to go live on Rednote app, iOS or Android. In this tutorial I'll show you how to go live on the Rednote app on both iOS and Android, as it is a similar process. Start by opening the Rednote app and make sure you're logged into your account. Before going live, ensure your account has the required permissions. Some accounts may need to meet specific criteria to unlock the live streaming feature. On the main screen, tap the plus button or the live icon, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter some basic details about your live stream. This can include your stream title, description, and selecting any privacy settings, public or private. Before you go live, check your camera and microphone settings. Ensure the quality is set to your preference. Once everything is ready, tap the Go Live button and you'll be streaming in real time to your audience. During the live stream, you can interact with viewers throughout the chat feature, responding to comments and questions in real time. When you're done, simply tap on the End Stream button to conclude your session. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.